Today I'm working on a 2015 Audi Q7. Just making a quick video talking about something that you see pretty often. If you have these faults stored, intake manifold, runner, bank 1 and bank 2, or even if you have one or the other only, and the car was just worked on, I'll show you what typically happens and what causes that. There can be other causes of this problem, but most commonly, especially if you just had a valve cleaning done or injector replaced, this is usually what was done that caused this problem. It's kind of a weird setup, so if someone's not real familiar with these engines that was working on it, this is it'd be pretty easy to make this mistake, and it's quite a bit of work to go in and fix it, but I'll show you what needs to happen. All right, now all I've done is pull the supercharger off, and what happens is when the lower intakes are removed and they're set back into position, what you have to do is take this lever here on the flap, and you have to pull this in while you're installing it. If you don't, it's like this where it gets jammed. You see right now when I push on this lever, there's no movement. That's because the flap itself is up against the divider inside the intake port. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, there's a flap right there, this actual door, and it's on the wrong side of the divider. So that way this doesn't move and it throws the shut fault, you know. So what has to happen is the lower intake manifolds need to be removed again. You have to replace the gaskets. You know, it's a good time to check the valves, make sure they're clean. But that was probably done. That's probably why you have this problem to begin with. But yeah, once you pull it up, you pull this inwards and you reinstall the intake. This should move freely. You should be able to push this in. You should see the flaps moving on both sides. And once you have that, you can put it back together, replace the gaskets, and you should be good. So just something to look for. Thanks for watching.